Silk flowers. Okay. Some people may roll their eyes at this, but I swear you guys, if you find good quality silk flowers, they are so amazing. My favorite are from A Floral. They're the Real Touch flowers, which means they actually feel damp to your touch when you touch the petals. They almost have like a squishy vibe to it, like a little bit of a give, and they feel almost wet, like they feel like real petals. I'm not kidding. They feel like real petals. Buy the good ones. Nobody will know. And let me tell you, you will not have to water them. You will not have to prune them. You will not have to like throw them away. People, buy them once, keep them forever. I love them so much. These roses are some of my favorite. I've had them in my bathroom for the last year, but sometimes I kind of rotate them and put them in the foyer or in my kitchen counter. Plus, the nice thing about silk flowers is that you can build your collection. So you can like add greenery, then you can add a new color, then you can add some lilacs for the spring, or you can add some like cedar in the fall and put all of this together and keep changing your arrangements. And you don't have to worry about whether one's getting droopy or if it's too tall or if it's too short. You literally can bend it the way you want it to go to make your arrangement look exactly like you wanted it to. These little flowers, you guys, from A Floral, I'm all in. I've been all in for years. It's actually becoming a problem how many I own, but I'm telling you, if you use them correctly, nobody will know. And they will think, man, where does she get all of her like fresh flower deliveries? How does she do it? Perfect for spring. Add in some A Floral Real Touch flowers. It's hard to say. A Floral Real Touch flowers. A Floral Real Touch flowers. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Kelly Page, the blogger Blue Gray Gal. I'll see you on Pinterest or Facebook or Instagram, my blog, on Amazon, all those places. I'm everywhere all at once. Thank you for watching and happy decorating.